Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ApyraX Propane Torch Weed Burner. There are features include industrial 500,000 BTU power output. Dominate tough outdoor projects with a massive 500,000 BTU heat output. Engineered for maximum thermal penetration, this ApyraX heavy-duty torch reaches temperatures up to 1800 degrees Celsius (72 degrees Fahrenheit), making it a solution for clearing stubborn weeds, melting thick ice, softening asphalt, or handling large-scale roofing repairs. Dual-mode ergonomics with 37.6-inch and 24.4-inch reach. Designed for maximum comfort. Use the 37.6-inch long mode to clear large areas while standing upright, effectively eliminating back strain. The 24.4-inch short mode offers the compact maneuverability required for small-scale repairs and precision tasks in tight spaces. Universal fuel compatibility from 1 pound to 100 pounds tanks. Experience ultimate fueling versatility. This torch is compatible with everything from portable 1-pound camping propane canisters to heavy-duty 100 pounds bulk tanks. It adapts to your environment and project scale, ensuring professional-grade power regardless of your fuel source or location. Heavy-duty 3-layer safety hose with precision control. Equipped with a professional 10 feet, 3-layer PVC-coated rubber hose, this kit is built for outdoor durability. The oil-proof, scratch-resistant construction ensures a stable gas flow, while the integrated piezo self-ignition and precision control valve allow you to start safely and adjust flame intensity effortlessly. Versatile year-round applications. Suitable for multiple outdoor tasks including landscaping, weed control for pavers and gravel. Winter ice and snow melting on walkways and driveways, asphalt repair, roof membrane work, paint removal, and agricultural debris management across all seasons. Thoughtful gift option for DIY and outdoor enthusiasts. Combining professional power with unmatched utility, this ApyraX torch kit makes a high-impact gift. Whether for occasions like birthdays or housewarmings, it is an essential addition to any landscaper, gardener, or DIY toolkit, a practical and reliable present they will use for years. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.